Honor has released Magic 8 Pro Air. This is ultra slim smartphone. Battery will be 5500 mAh with 80 watt fast charge. It runs on Android 16 operating system. Thickness is 6.1 mm. Chipset will be MediaTek Dimensity 9500 with 4.21 GHz octa-core CPU. GPU of ARM G1 Ultra. Smartphone has 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Display will be OLED with 120Hz refresh rate and size is 6.3 inches. A resolution of 1200 by 2640 pixels. There will be triple camera setup. Main sensor will be 50 megapixel. It can video recording 4K at 120 fps. Front camera will be 50 megapixel. Fingerprint will be under display ultrasonic. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.